So this is gonna be 110 foot-pounds and then plus 60-degree angle after. So here we go. We're going to torque this crank bolt. We're gonna be installing this crankshaft pulley right here. This is the new up-to-date pulley with a brand new timing cover. All right, so down here you can see there's my crankshaft right there, and you can see the inside. There's the oil pump right there. It's a little loose on the inner side, so we're gonna have to line that up. All right, so anything you can grab, like a flat screwdriver or anything flat. See the inside right there? You're gonna have to line that up so we could slide in our pulley. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, we're gonna give this a try. So first, make sure you know where you're marking on your pulley right here. There's a dot right there. That dot has to line up with my little slot right there on the timing. Okay, so line that up like that, and then everything should line up perfectly. So slide her in. There you go. You're set, ready to go. Lined up right there to that mark over there. And I'll show you on top. Right there on the top, we got really nice gap right there. That's what we want. Perfect. Alright guys, we're gonna be torquing that crank bolt to spec right there. There we go. I've been doing this trick so many times and always work. It always works. So we need to have that crank pulley stop spinning so we can torque that bolt right there. To do that, we're gonna do a quick belt trick. So you can see this is the old belt. Here's my new one right there. This is gonna be garbage after doing this job because it's gonna kink this edge right here, and who knows if that's gonna be a good belt after. Probably not. So gonna quickly set you up here. All right, quickly set you guys up. Bend this belt shaped like an 8, put it on a pulley. Alright, there you go. That's how you set that up. I'm gonna have to take this slack off. Alright, so there we go. The slack on this side is a little tight now. I'm gonna... Alright guys, so before I torque this crank bolt right there, those are the new bolts, okay? Torque to yield, make sure you get a brand new one. Those are like 10 bucks, brand new. So everything is all set here now. We got that BeltTrick going on there. And then I'm using 15 mil socket. So this is gonna be 110 foot-pounds and then plus 60-degree angle after. So here we go. There you go. 110 foot-pounds right there. All right, so we're gonna add 60-degree angle on that crank bolt. So I'm using a strong arm right here, same socket, 19 mil. 60-degree angle is about from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Okay, so it's gonna start from here, and then we're probably gonna end right over here. So it's like a V shape. It's like a V pie. All right, here we go. 60-degree. Probably it's gonna be 11 to 2 o'clock. That's what we're gonna end, 2 o'clock. That's a little shaky. All right, there we go, guys. Wow, a little shaky there. Those BeltTrick really helps big time. This trick never fails on me, and this is super awesome. Like check it out. There you go. This is why you change this belt after you do this trick, because it bugger up. This side right here. For some people it's okay, but for me it's time to change a new one. And that's my new one right there.